Hello everybody, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to combine the index and match functions in order to replace the VLOOKUP function. Anyway, let's just get right down to it, and I'm going to break down the index function first. So the index function is pretty simple. If you give it a list of values and then an index value such as 3, it'll go down the list and return the third value. So we can see that work here, index, and put in this list of values, comma 3, and we can see the third value in that list is Susan. So what we're going to do is combine that with the match function, and the match function is kind of similar, except you're looking for a specific value and the return value is the index position that it found it in. So if we search for Susan in this list, it should return the third value. So we can try that out. Match Susan and give it that list, and we do have to do comma 0 after that to return an exact match, and we see it's the third value in there. So what we're doing, if we go to this tab here, we can see we're combining the two. So if we want to do equals index, we want to go back to the other tab and put in the location of the value where you want to get the return value from. So that's in this column here. You can select the whole column or you can select the range. So it's quicker to select the whole column. Then instead of typing comma 3 manually, now we're going to do match, right? And we're going to go back to our sheet 2 and we're going to match the word April, that's this person's name, in column B. So it should find April in this list and see that it's the 10th value down, comma 0, and it should return the 10th value from this column. So we can see April is an assistant manager, and April is an assistant manager. Okay, so we can copy that formula down, and then we can do the same thing with their pay. So if you wanted to lock this value here and lock this value here, now you can just select the column. You can replace the column B with whichever column you want to return. So let's say column C. And change that to currency format. And there you have it. All right, so I was trying to keep this video short, and hopefully I have. If you have any questions about what any of this means, feel free to comment about it. I'm sure that me or someone else will reply back and try and help you out. All right, have a good day. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye.